If you have to think about when the last time was that you sharpened your kitchen knife, or any knife for that matter, then it's most likely time to sharpen it. So what I have to show you today is the Orange Ninja Electric Rolling Knife Sharpener, sent to me free of charge for this review. And in this review, I'm going to be demonstrating how this works so you can decide if this is what is going to work out for your knives that need sharpened. So right out of the box here, this is going to be your handheld portion, or the rolling portion that is going to help sharpen your knife. This is also going to be the electric portion. So this does take 4 AAA batteries, and those batteries are included for you. They're going to be placed right on the bottom of the roller, and then your power button is going to be right here. It's just going to be a short press, and it's going to power on. This is what is going to hold your knife steady. It is magnetic, and it does also let you pick the angle. So you have 5 different angles that you're going to be able to pick from based on what type of knife you're sharpening. And there's just going to be a little sliding gear right here, and when you slide that, it is going to either push in or it's going to push out the little magnetic base to get that desired angle. Next up, we have different grits that we're going to be able to choose from as well. So we have a number 350 grit, which is going to be the coarsest one. This one is going to be 600, which is going to be medium. And then this one is going to be 1000, which is just going to polish and refine your knife once you're done sharpening it. So we're going to go ahead and get started. We'll see what we get once we're done sharpening it. Sharp. All right, so we've been sharpening for a couple minutes now, and then once we are done with the sharpening portion, we did switch over to the 1000 grit just to polish off any burrs if there were to be any. But with that, we're going to go ahead and check the sharpness. So much sharper than what we had initially started out with. So if you are looking for a knife sharpener for any of the knives that you may have, this rolling electric knife sharpener by Orange Ninja is one worth looking into.